Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, this is Queen Favors TV, and if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, like my video and share it. Today we'll be talking about meteorology, and the topic we'll be dealing on meteorology is air masses. So stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. Quickly guys, let's define what is air masses. Air masses is just a large body of air whose properties are horizontally uniform with regards to temperature and humidity. And also, they are also vertically uniform with regards to lapse rate. Air masses have a source of region, and the source of region is always from a high pressure area. I want you to note this, guys. Air masses, they have a source of region, and this source of region is always from a high pressure area. So now let's talk about the classification. Air masses, they are classified based on two primary factors, and one of them is temperature. This is when we have the tropical air mass, have the polar air mass. The tropical air mass, the air in that region is warmer, and it often forms in a region of about 20° north latitude to 60° north latitude. Then the polar air mass, in this region, the air there is cold, and it always forms in a region of 60° north latitude from the North Pole. The second factor is humidity, and this is further divided into continental air mass, and we have the maritime air mass. The continental air mass is talking about a region where the air is dry, and it often occurs in land. This is when we have the polar continental and tropical continental. Then we also have the maritime air mass. It occurs mostly in water, in sea. That is when we have the polar maritime and the tropical maritime. Since we know the classification of air masses, let's move further to know the difference between cold air masses and warm air masses. Cold air masses is when the air that is flowing through a surface is colder than the surface, or we can say the air flowing through a surface that is warmer than itself. That is, the surface is warm and the air flowing through it is cold. That is the definition of cold air mass. These cold air mass have characteristics, and one of them, convective cloud, shower, rain, and sometimes thunderstorm occur in that area. Turbulence, the air in that area is rough. They are unstable. An example I'll give for the air to be unstable, one is when you place a heavier object on an object that is lighter. The lighter object won't be able, or rather will not be able to withstand the weight of the heavier object, which will cause it to be unstable. Let's go and define warm air masses. Warm air masses is when the air is flowing through a surface that is colder than itself. That means the air that is flowing through this surface is warmer than this surface. This is colder. The surface is colder, and the air flowing through the surface is warmer. That is just the definition. And the characteristic of this warm air mass is that it is stable. Visibility is poor, but in cold mass, the visibility is good. Turbulence don't really occur in this warm air mass. So guys, these are the difference between these two. I hope you learned something from this video. And my word of encouragement for you today is God loves you. Be intentional with God's love all around you, no matter the situation, no matter what you're passing through. Always note that God loves you. So be intentional about it. Anywhere you find yourself, Be intentional about it. Yes, I know I am loved by God. Yes, I know God loves me. And by doing that, you see yourself pushing forward. You see yourself doing things that you don't even imagine seeing yourself doing. Yes, I've tested of it. That's what I'm sharing with you. So if you want to see more of my video, please click on the subscribe button. So if I post any video, you will be the first to receive it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.